In the vast expanse of the universe, there exists a language that transcends borders, cultures, and species. This language is sound, a cosmic symphony that resonates from the tiniest atoms to the grandest galaxies. Sound, as we perceive it, is a physical phenomenon, a wave that travels through the air, water, or any other medium. It's a series of compressions and rarefactions that our ears pick up and our brains interpret. But sound is far more than just a sensory perception. It's a fundamental aspect of our existence. Music, a refined form of sound, has been an integral part of human civilization since time immemorial. From the primal drum beats echoing in the wilderness to the intricate symphonies performed in grand concert halls, music has the power to evoke emotions, tell stories, and even shape societies. But what is it that makes sound so fascinating? Why does a particular piece of music make your heart flutter or bring a tear to your eye? The answer lies in the unique characteristics of sound and music. Firstly, the pitch, or frequency of a sound, determines its musical note. From the lowest octave of a grand piano to the highest soprano, pitch is the backbone of all melodies. Then, there's the timbre, or the color of the sound. It's the timbre that allows us to distinguish a violin from a flute, even if they're playing the same note. Next, there's the intensity, or loudness, of a sound. This is determined by the amplitude of the sound wave. A whisper in a quiet library, the roar of a jet engine, each has its own unique intensity. Beyond these, there's the rhythm, the tempo, the harmony, and the melody. Fundamental elements of music that combine in countless ways to produce the vast array of musical genres that we have today. But sound and music are not just about the technical aspects, they're about the emotions they evoke, the memories they trigger, and the connections they forge. They have the power to soothe a troubled mind, to ignite a spark of inspiration, to transport you to a different place in time. To summarize, sound is a fascinating and complex phenomenon, a cosmic symphony that resonates with us on a deep, fundamental level. It's a language that transcends borders, cultures, and species. And music, a refined form of sound, has the power to evoke emotions, tell stories, and shape societies. As you delve deeper into the world of sound and music, you'll discover their intricacies and subtleties, their science, and their artistry. You'll learn to appreciate them not just as sensory perceptions, but as fundamental aspects of our existence. So the next time you listen to a piece of music or the simple sounds of nature, remember the cosmic symphony that you're a part of. And let the language of sound resonate with you. In all its depth and complexity, that's the magic of sound and music. And that's the journey that awaits you as you delve deeper into their fascinating world.